Okay, this is our snow. I got the good camera. Batteries charged, basically. Okay, this is our snow. We're supposed to get 11 to 13 inches of snow. I wish Darcy was here to play in the snow with me, because I love the snow. Most people do not. Anyway, adults don't. This girl does, because this girl is half child. Listen to the birdies and how quiet it is. I wonder what kind of bird that is. Not the kind that answers you back, anyway. Okay, I don't know how long it's been. It's been snowing since, like, early this morning when I got up 4 in the morning. Probably was snowing a little bit before that. I'm not sure, actually. I don't know what I'm talking about. But, I don't know. What's that look like to you? 3 inches of snow? Yeah, I'd say it snowed about 3 inches of snow so far. So we got 10 more inches to go, approximately. Yippers. Okay, let's go over here to this side. And here we have the snow falling down on this side. There was a lady cardinal in the tree, but she flew away. I scared her when I tried to take a picture. Okay, so Swansea, Illinois, the snowstorm of 2014. Today is January 5th. It is, let's see if I can see. I can't tell you what time it is because I can't see the camera, but okay, wait, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. That's what time it is. I got it. 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay, this is the temperature. The temperature is 25 degrees under snowy skies. This is Lisa Herman, your Action News reporter with VTV. We'll be back later for more updates. Peace out, play.